What's up mga Ka-Choy? Good afternoon. So right now mga Ka-Choy, I'm going to show you the different specs of the KTM RC 200. So let's get started. Let's start with the headlight, the front. So headlight mga Ka-Choy, these two, halogen siya, halogen. It's not LED. It has a park light kani na nasa sa ubos nga LED. Tapos automatic headlight on siya mga Ka-Choy. When you start the motorcycle, mo-on sa ang headlight. Ang headlight niya mga Ka-Choy, big bike concept. If naka low, one light lang ang mo-on. Tapos when you turn on the high beam, mo na nga duha na ang mo-on niya. Then ang yung signal light sa front mga Ka-Choy is attached to the side mirrors here. It's attached. Then it has a fast light also here, fast light, and a kill switch. So ang yung stock nga front tire mga Ka-Choy, hani, ang size is 110/70, while ang stock tire sa back, this tire is 150/60. Then it has a built-in tire hugger here. Let's go back here mga Ka-Choy. As you can see mga Ka-Choy, inverted forks siya, inverted forks, because kanang uban na kay laha kay nas like convertial forks. Then there's a radial mount brake caliper. Then ang stock brake caliper niya mga Ka-Choy is 4 piston caliper. Yung hose sa brake, this one, steel braided, meaning its materials are tougher compared sa others. So ang KTM RC 200 mga Ka-Choy is also a naked bike, meaning makita niyo mo ang chassis. So yung chassis mga Ka-Choy is trellis frame, meaning lightweight and great handling sad siya. Let's go to the other side. As you can see, big bike concept mga Ka-Choy. Walay kickstart. So if ma-off, ma-lowbat ang battery sa motorcycle, so you need to itod pa ni mo mga Ka-Choy. It's quite heavy, so it's stressful. Engine oil capacity. So this is very important mga Ka-Choy, engine oil capacity. Big bike needs a lot of oil, meaning yung engine oil capacity mga Ka-Choy is 1.5 liters. Yes, you heard it right, 1.5 liters. Then let's go to the chains and sprocket. Ang stock nga sprocket niya mga Ka-Choy, this one, stock sprocket niya sa back is 42, while ang front nga sprocket niya is 14. Ang stock chain size niya, size kuno, stock chain size is 520. Heavy duty siya, heavy duty. And ang pinaka-unique kanina mga Ka-Choy is yung swing arm, aluminum swing arm. Look at the design. Not all bikes have that. Tapos signal lights sa rear. This one, these two, LED siya, LED. So sa seat mga Ka-Choy, detachable siya. Yes, it is detachable. Na yung key is detachable. Tapos ang compartment niya is quite very small. So it comes with tools. Muna masigo lang ang tools, and syempre ang important nga papers. medyo umay siya, but the cloth sa yung seat is good. Ganahan ko, comfortable siya. And kani mga ka-choy, it's kanang passenger seat, foam siya, foam. It's quite slippery lang when someone rides it, someone sits on it, pero it's okay, it's cool. May nakapa-unique good niya. Let's go to the suspension mga ka-choy. This, as you can see, na arrow, meaning mga ka-choy, if you it is adjustable. If you adjust it mga ka-choy, when ang suspension kay too high ang adjustment, meaning it's too hard, gahi kay sa mga ka-choy. Tapos when it's too low naman, it's too soft. So ikuan gyapon na to mga choy, di na to palibian kay ang ground clearance is very important. 2018 model sa KTM RC200 is non-ABS, kay ang 2019 pa nga RC200 ang naay ABS na system. So dire pagpalit na to, wala pa may gi-release nga 2019 model, so ang 2018 model nga atong gipalit. Ang seat height mga ka-choy kay 820 mm ang seat height. My height is 5'5" and nakatipto ko mga ka-choy. So it's quite high, pero it's okay naman po, okay ra siya. Ang riding position kay kuan ng racing position siya, so medyo hawoy good siya at first, pero you'll get used to it man good. Then siya clip on siya sa handlebars, clip on. It has a full digital nga dashboard. Iyon na to, see, full digital. So makita nimo ang average speed, gear indicator, fuel, temperature, odo, RPM meter here sa babaw, kilometers per liter, real time, then kilometers before service and others. Gearing, yung gearing mga ka-choy, it has 6 gears. So as usual, 1 down then 5 up. Ang tank capacity, fuel tank capacity here, fuel tank capacity, this one kay 10 liters. So ang fuel consumption niya mga ka-choy, if harsh mode siya, like war freak mode, sa around 35 kilometers per liter para nako. Pero if baby mode siya, it's around 45 kilometers per liter. So okay din siya, okay raman po, dili kay siya kalas o gas, friendly po siya. Tapos ang sa engine mga ka-choy, let's go to the other side. Engine mga ka-choy, ang displacement niya is 199.5cc. Ang maximum power sa bike is 25 horsepower at 10,000 rpm. Maximum torque is 19.2 at 8,000 rpm. Number of cylinders is 1. Then seat height is 820 millimeters. Yung ground clearance niya is 178.5 millimeters. Yung weight kay 154 kilograms. Tapos ang top speed, ang top speed niya mga ka-choy is only around 140 kilometers per hour. So sound check ta mga ka-choy, sound check ta. Ay, by the way mga ka-choy, ang exhaust, muna usas na nakapa-unique ani nga bike is nakatago yung exhaust. That's the exhaust. It's not visible, unlike the others, katago siya. Na sound check. on. This is the park light, LED. Then ang headlight is halogen. I-high na to ng Ka-Choy. Boom, duha na nagsiga. So that's high and low. That would be all mga Ka-Choy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. So next video na ko mga Ka-Choy is mga stuffs nga I like and dislike about the KTM RC200. So please like, subscribe and comment. Yeah.